Open the YNP project we created in the last tutorial from the recent projects list. Return the main camera to its default location. Open the plan camera in the right view and save the project as YNP-CM. Open the database editor and you'll see the 100-meter DEM enabled, the one we created for higher elevation viewpoints. We're looking at terrain near the western border of Yellowstone National Park, just east of the town of West Yellowstone, Montana. We're going to import a false color satellite image of the Yellowstone area as a color map, drape it over the terrain, and fly across it. Go to the Land Cover Task Mode and double-click the Color Map category to create a new component and open its editor. Rename the color map Landsat and color by pixel to render all of the image detail on the terrain. We'll use the Image Object drop-down box to add our satellite photo, but let's first copy the image to a convenient location on our hard drive. Go to the Windows Explorer or Finder if you're on a Mac, and make your way to the Image folder on the Tutorial 2 CD. Copy the YNP Landsat IFF image to the YNP project folder on your hard drive. WCS will remember where this file was loaded when we added to the project. If we load it from the CD, WCS will try to find it there every time the project is opened. Copying it to the project folder before import ensures that it stays with the project and makes it easy for WCS to find it. Back in WCS, expand the Image Object drop-down box and add a new image object. Navigate to the YNP project folder and choose ynplandsat.iff. After the image is imported, its thumbnail will appear in the thumbnail window. Double-click it to view a downsampled version of the image. This includes most of Yellowstone, but will only be rendering a small part of it. We're going to take advantage of the new WCS6 georeferencing feature, so edit Image Object to open the Image Object library. While we're thinking of it, enable Load Fast and Apply to All. We have a couple of options when it comes to placing the color map on our terrain. To make those options available, add georeference to add its attribute page to the Landsat image. With Select Bounds in a view, we can click opposite corners on the terrain where we want to place the color map. Snap to Selected DEMs is great for USGS Digital Orthophoto Quadrangles, or DOQs, and USGS Topographic Map Overlays. We happen to have the latitude and longitude bounds of the Landsat image, so we'll enter the boundaries manually. Enter 45.0267 degrees in the top field, tab, and enter 111.0967 degrees in the left field. Enter 110.18 degrees in the right, and 44.1333 degrees in the bottom field. Real-time views will refresh as the color map bounds are entered. Zoom back in the plan view to see the color map bounds, and return to the default position when you're done. We're finished with the Image Object library, so close it out and save the project. Let's add the Landsat color map as a real-time view overlay. Open the Plan Camera View Preferences to the Overlay Gradient page and check Ecosystem Map. The status window will show Generate Text Maps as the overlay is generated. When it's finished, the plan view will refresh with the overlay image. Repeat the process for the main camera view. There will be little delay since the overlay is already in memory. Detail is a function of terrain resolution. Higher resolution terrain will show more detail in the overlay. The color map is reducing the contrast of our real-time views, so let's hide it. Open the Plan View Preferences, Real-Time Options, Land Cover, and uncheck Color Maps. Do the same for the main camera view. Render a preview. All that's left is to create a camera path to fly us across our false color terrain.